Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with an unboxing video. I broke my spending freeze for Thanksgiving week, like Black Friday sales. I was so sick for the last week. This is the first video I've filmed in a week. It got so much worse. It got so much worse. Thanksgiving is when the turn came, and I was just down for the count. So today's the first day that I'm actually feeling better. It's Sunday. Oh my goodness, it was so bad. And it wasn't strep, it wasn't COVID. I don't know what it was because I was tested. But this is from Leah Clark, Carleh's Creations. I've done unboxings from her before. I love her handmade ceramic components. And if you're part of my bead group, you would have seen the link that I included to her sale last week. I'm going back on the spending freeze till Tucson. I might hit a couple more like Cyber Monday or Black Friday sales, but after that I'm going back on the spending freeze because I've been having fun like just making stuff. And I love the way she packs everything. Always uses the purple, very secure, and then has this cute little pouch. But let's see. So I will include Leah's links in the description. She has a website and a group on Facebook, and she's so sweet. I just love her. All right, let's see what we got here. Ooh, these are freebies. Okay. Artisan beads and jewelry by Leah Clark. And this is a free gift. There's her website. And this is so exciting because she knows I love the horses. I don't think I have these pieces. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. I love this. This is like really dark clay. Oh, I love those. Those make me so happy. Thank you, Leah. Yay, those make me so happy. Oh, that's beautiful. It's like a retro tile. I love that. Beautiful. And it's turquoise. Yeah, even since yesterday, I've gotten so much better. Yesterday, I was supposed to go to a Black Friday sale on Saturday with Cindy and Julie, and we all, I called Cindy, I was like, I can't go. I was so sick. Beautiful little moon. I love that it has the bigger holes. She said she had one with the bigger holes or smaller holes. And I wanted to do bigger just in case I wanted to do larger leather through there. Look at the little moon and the stars. I love that. Makes me so happy. And you know, I love the bracelet bars. And then look at this one. Little flower power action. Just makes me happy. Looks very peaceful to me. Yay. Let's see what else. Oh yes. She had these African mask pieces. I know I don't wear earrings, but if I wore earrings, I would definitely make them from these. These are so beautiful, and I want to make earrings with them that I might actually sell them afterwards just because I can't give something away. Well, I guess I could give something away this beautiful, but I just think they're so cool. I don't know. They might stay in the hoard for a while because they're just so cool. I think that's my favorite thing. And then last but not least, what do we have here? Oh, yes. Oh, I thought these were a little bit more orange looking at the photos, and I think I thought this was more orange too, but it's more like an orangey brown, and it reminds me of some African brass beads that I have, so I was thinking about hanging them from below some African brass beads. I think I might open like just like my Etsy shop back up, or I don't know, do like boutique sales on my Facebook group just for like the really special pieces that include like artisan items. I'm not doing it right now, maybe next year, but I just think that if I was going to make earrings with these or these, I would probably sell them instead of just putting them in the pile that I have in my room. I actually did, when I went to Cleveland, lower the pile of extra jewelry hanging around because I have two best friends there that really enjoy the jewelry, so I took them big bags of jewelry, so it's out there in the world being worn, thankfully. But thank you to Leah. I'm so excited. Thank you to all of you who are patient and waiting for a video. I tell you, I couldn't even edit the one that I had on my iPad because I was just so sick. Not the best yet, but I still have one more day off work to recuperate and kind of play with my beads, which I wanted to do for all the time that I was off, but couldn't. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie, and you can find Leah's stuff at carlescreations.com or on her Facebook group, and I'll leave the link below. Have a good day. Let me know which one you like the best. Bye-bye. Okay, just kidding. Bonus content. I always usually put these in their respective Artisan drawers when they come into the house, if they're from my favorite artists. So this is her bracelet bar drawer. Clearly we need to be making stuff and not buying stuff, but I know some of you enjoy seeing me putting these in here. Oh, okay, so this is the one I had before. Isn't that cool? And now I have 2 of them. Yay. And then I also have this pendant, so I could make a set. Like, isn't that cool? Yay. Oh, I just love these. These are definitely my favorite. They're so cool. I need a pendant. Leah, I need a pendant like this if you're watching. And then we'll put these guys in here as well. Yeah, I think we need to do, oh my gosh, there's even a horse bead in here. I think we need to do some stuff. I love looking at it all. I don't want to use it. All right. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Grammy cooking? Is Grammy cooking? Hmm? You listening to Grammy cook? What's she doing? She making stuff for Thanksgiving?